Here on the LIGNA this year we are showing the first time the innovation called HOMAG INTELLIGENCE.
I'm more than happy of the reaction of our customers to HOMAG Intelligence.
So with our software solutions, we are helping our customers to increase the productivity and the efficiency in the production. And here on our booth, we are showing solutions for the whole process chain for the customer and for all business sizes. So for small customers or for the medium-sized companies up to industry customers, we are able to show solutions. And as our software platform is very modular, we can combine individual packages so the customer can pick out the solutions he needs. And then he can, of course, grow with us up to a really great and big solution. HOMAG Intelligence is a new cloud-based platform that provides the whole process for the customer from the point of sale to the technical configuration to the creation and supporting of production data.
Without internal interfaces and with a centralized data management. And despite this consistency, we stay open and modular in order to realize a perfect solution for all our customers, easy to implement and very fast.